This is the Android hack that I found on my phone. You guys gotta help me out here because this is just not. I mean, it's telling me to report this. If you see this and you need to report this immediately, kind of thing. So I'm sick and tired of trying to record it, then upload it, especially when these guys have control of my networking the entire time. So I just passed it because I saw the notice. Um, there we go. If you see this message and you are not debugging, you're not debugging the kernel, report this immediately to your vendor. As you can see, they're making this camera just shitty as hell too. I've done that for some time, some kind of blur thing. I don't know. Anyway, notice. So this is basically the crash log of this Moto phone, Moto 4, and we'll just start from the beginning. We'll go down and see what happened in the crash log. And maybe one of you Android developers can help me out and stop these hackers from destroying my life. Been 5 years now. Every day, every hour, every minute, you guys are harassing me. So this is the crash log starting now. Okay. And I'll do the best I can for keeping it focused. Embedded. It's not like some of this stuff I don't understand, of course, but a lot of it I don't understand. But some of it's just saying, warning, illegal. God, I wish too bad I can't do it. Switch the cameras. It could be just a shitty phone. I'm doing this one, but I don't think anyone understands what it feels like to have someone hang up your phone calls, control your life, have to reset your phone every day, all your devices corrupted, everyone you get near, everyone that you start to talk with, you know, any kind of relationship you develop. I have a bunch of Sprint shit running on here too that run with Metro PCS. Gosh, okay, there's a bootloader. Okay. Trying to keep this thing focused. It's just, they're not doing anything that they just keep fucking with this camera. I swear to God. I'll try to just try to keep it. Wow, they're trying to kick me, trying to bump me from doing this. So I'm gonna have to just be as freaking, as cautious as I can because these guys are they'll do anything to bump me and then just screw this thing up. And I'm just trying to get this to you guys so that we can, try to find the source. Hopefully, go after someone because what they're doing is classified as attempted murder because they've gotten me fired from 5 jobs, disabling me from being able to provide food and shelter for myself. This has gone on for 5 years, guys. Okay. Shit, I think that went too fast. I could skip some, but Gosh, man, they just won't let this fucking camera focus. I'll show you some. When we're done with this, I'll show you that it's got an alt auto cycle on the device at all times. So then you're gonna see here. I mean, so unbelievable. I might have to delete some files off this phone which are making it blurry like this. I know what you're saying. It's not that, but man, I've bought 61 brand new Windows computers, and this has happened to all of them. 39 Android phones, 26 tablets, 15 personal computers, 21 Apple devices. And it won't stop. Hopefully, you guys are getting this info. God dang it, dude. It's called like meet camera something. There's an app, an extra app. It's like I can't touch the screen and zoom in, or it doesn't do shit. Here, maybe. No. So there's that Qualcomm in crypto. Be a changer. They're just doing everything. They've done this for the camera, making it blurry when I'm trying to record something serious that will be detrimental to them. I've taken this to everyone. If anyone has a suggestion or they want a challenge, come with me to an Apple store. Come with me to a Best Buy store. And right when we walk in, the entire network will be compromised. I've seen this. I've proved this. I proved it with the Apple. I could do Best Buy anytime. 3 programs start up immediately called Surrogate. And then all the computers start to run at a higher percentage. And then the one that I'm on or near will be at 100%. I know that sounds just so bizarre. I didn't want this, and I. Okay, well, flash alternate current, whatever. Damn, I'm just fucking not letting me focus in on that. Attempt to. Okay, I think we should almost be done though. I'm gonna go a little faster, so then you guys are just gonna have to. And this is some good stuff. Yeah, It's not like the lens is not dirty or. There it is. Well, core site, failed with error, failed. When you see these things, and then re-registered, Trustonic, and then dummy register shit like that. I mean, it's just too obvious. Wow. Well, they booted me again there. So this is registered prod family 17 bridge. Update scripts for low Bluetooth. Yes. I mean, this one says E48 4BEB0. The first one. I'm trying to bring the camera further and closer as well. And it won't get bigger. Anyway, I think with this crash log, the others are very interesting, but what's better yet is we'll boot, and then I'll show you this auto cycle. Oh shit! And I've gone through and wiped the partition. I've gone through and wiped the phone, and yet nothing. Fixing execution. No, fixing execute permission. Local. Okay. So it looks like we're at the very end of this crash, I think. Or this log, whatever. Oh, maybe not. Possibly inaccurate. Okay. Calling scan path system. Okay, total flags 1,625. Okay, that was a violation. Says that was a violation. S-bin recovery. And so, and persist. Then Moto GPS conference from. Then smart battery rescheduled service. Then here we go. This is interesting. Dalvik. Why? Because I'm not a developer. So now it's saying camera Dalvik use GIT equals true. And then stack trace. And what I found is they had bought a bunch of apps, editors, editions, apps, and put them in my Google Play account. So whatever this is, here too, this is interesting. This is legal Android privacy. This is all the root or boot, and then the USB or whatever. Okay. Lenovo. Oh, there's a bug to go. Lenovo single hand. That's interesting. And the Zygote. I don't know what these things are, but I know they've never been good. When I've looked up certain programs like this, they says, "Oh yeah, this will enable a hacker to basically destroy your ass." I mean, okay. Device provisioned. Great. And here we go. Debug games. Persistent radio. Wow. Persist radio. A lot of that. And then wiping cache partition. Multiple of I/O buffer size. And here we go. Creating file system with formatting partition developer /block /boot device by name. Okay, I don't know. I really don't, but. And that's the end of it. And it says because of an I/O error or the device is encrypted. Installation aborted. Well, let's just go ahead and look at the last log right here. Oh no. Yeah, we'll just look at the last log. Right there. And here we go. Bionic open TZ data. Couldn't find any TZ data when looking for GMT. Starting recovery. Boot. Fixing execution permissions. And cannot find open ADRM device. No such directory. Gosh dang it. Here. Oh, that's making me mad now. Wow. You hear that? Okay, here we go. Oh shit. That's a little too fast. Okay, here we go. This is the beginning. Next page. I'm gonna go fairly fast. Okay, that was a violation. That was a violation. Look, I keep saying that. There's the Dalvik camera, whatever, fast track, AV dot offload enabled equals false. Interesting, but Dex op boot. This is all, I'm sure this is all good information for someone to, be able to help track these people. Okay, RO boot and Wi-Fi, and then there's Wi-Fi MAC address. So that's my Wi-Fi MAC address. I'd be positive on that. Here we go. And then, okay. And then what is this? Type user Hudson CM. Product Perry. The fuck is Hudson CM? I guess if I find him, I'd murder him. To be honest, I would kill him. And if anyone, I told the FBI that too. I said, if I find these hackers, I'm not going to kill them. I'm going to keep them for what they've done to me. I would keep them for a while, take them apart. I'd kill them eventually, but first I want them to just live just a little bit, with all the pain and bullshit that they put me through every fucking day. They're cowards is what they are, a bunch of cowards. Anyway, I think that's just about good for, this is looking sort of like the same thing. So what we'll do is we can go down, maybe we'll do one of these KMS logs. Booting on Linux physical, yeah, this is a good one. I'll just go through it real quick, and that's another notice. Notice, if you see this message and you're not debugging, which I'm not, the kernel report this immediately to your vendor. Well, who the fuck is that? I guess it'd be Motorola. I've tried that. I can get a hold of them. See, when I call Motorola, it doesn't call Motorola. It calls some freaking Chinese lady every single time. If I call and complain about anything, it's always a Chinese lady. Always. Hi, Chad. How are you? Hi, Chad. And you know what? She usually does pretty good with crediting certain things and on my account and things like that, but Same chick, same voice. Anywhere I call to complain. I shit you not. Anyway. Well, we so sorry to hear that about you, Chad. You know, I mean, I called Google. Of course, they're closed. You know, who's this Max at Qualcomm? MK at Qualcomm. Who's that? Maybe I need to meet him. That's what it says there. It says Max K at Qualcomm. Hey, Max K at Qualcomm. Do you want to tell me why your fucking email's in my phone, or maybe I just need to go ask him myself personally. I'd love to do that. Okay, well, this is interesting. Unknown standby. State change unknown. RX map count. TX map count. So, you know, if anyone out there wants to help me out, I mean, I'd owe you my life. And then I could pay you back. Because I could make a lot of money selling and living life as long as I don't have these cocksuckers in my device and on my phone and fucking my life up. And I will pay you $1,000 a month for the rest of my life, as long as you guys, if you keep these little bitches off me. If you keep these guys off me, keep them away from my phone and out of my life, then I will pay you that for protection, because it's worth it to me. I mean, I can't make a fucking dime when someone controls your network and your phone. They switch clients' information, making you look incompetent. It's very difficult. But if I can develop a network again and start to get back in sales, I mean, I'll kick ass, take names, and we will be, you know, you'll be set, whoever it is. You make $12,000 a year, you know, for just keeping these people off my ass. You know, so. And I love when places like, yeah, it's $19.95 for the year. You know, I'm talking, I'll give you 12 grand. This is no joke. I can give you the first payment in a week. So contact me. I'm trying to go through these fairly fast. I just like to see this. No. System not found. So you know, it's too funny too, is when I look at 1970. I see 1969 a lot. I guess that's the default. December 31st, 1969. When there's an error in a Linux app or whatever. But anyway, and that's all. That's how you have it. We'll go back, and I don't know really how this works. I mean, I've just wiped the cache partition, and then here's another good one. Here, let's run a graphics test and watch this thing go error. Okay, and then you tell me why on this one. Okay, well, it said error, no command. Now it says installing system update. Just won't focus, of course. Let's do that again, because it will always just say no. It will say error. This is okay. There's the error, and then erasing, installing systems update. I think it did. I was just moving. And bam, went through. So I guess let's reboot the device now. It's never done that. Never, not once. Has it? And then it's never just like went right back to that screen after the graphics test. So, whenever I start to report these guys and like, hey, this is what's going on, they back off. It's like so funny. They literally just pull back and won't do shit. So let's see if it makes any noise. Usually it says, hello, Moto. I doubt if they will, because, it's sort of mess with the sound. That's where I found a lot of the exploits, is in the speakers and mouthpieces and them hacking through ringtones, embedded information inside the ringtone. It's crazy. Look at no sound. No sound. Interesting. Well, of course. And there's, the volume was down. No. Doesn't matter. That doesn't matter. Not if you've rebooted wiped the partition, I believe. It's how it boots, so. No. It should have been loud. So we'll go here. And then let's go ahead. We have, there it is, Alt Auto Cycle. Who's that? Who's Alt Auto Cycle? Let's go ahead and let's give him a big delete, right? Boom. See ya. Wouldn't want to be a. Let's go ahead and look under this data here. This should be interesting. In Flicka. Oh, wow. Now it's going to start blowing up. See, it's going to start blowing up with notifications because they don't want me showing you this stuff. Then the famous No Media. That's an awesome one right there. Famous No Media. So what we can do is we'll just go back here and we'll just delete all that data. It doesn't matter. Be right back. So let's go right here. There's the auto cycle back already. That's interesting. Let's delete these guys again because they just seem to auto cycle. Yes, delete them. Okay, let's try this. Android. Boom. Delete. There it's back. Look at now, so look at that. See? Then we're getting offer up. We'll get offer up and we'll get let go. We'll just get tons of notifications. Like, check it out on the let go. Look at that. This is so funny. Hey, did you just sign in somewhere? Yeah. Check it out on let go. When I look at my chat log, you'll see all the people I'm chatting with, or a lot of them, their accounts have been suspended. Like Parker. I had like 3 of these people said, for safety reasons, Parker's account has been deleted. Yeah, because I've seen that on like all the people that whisper me. A lot of them will just be have that. Well, we had to remove these people because they've already been removed from my chat, but I see it all the time, and all these people are just made up bullshit. And they just message me right at the key points when I'm playing a game or making a phone call. I'll just get blown up by these random people. Like right here, see, I'm like, yes or no. So then I give him my address, and this guy will never show up. Okay, we'll enable. We've done this already 1,000 times. We've already enabled all this stuff, but go ahead and let's on offer up and see. It won't make any difference. when I post something, like I posted an iPhone 7 for $5, $5. It had no views. Let's use my current location. Oh, wow, there we go. Amazing. It like went through. Okay, here, let's go. Boom. No, get it this time. But he'll never show up. And I'm talking his language with him. I'm looking up whatever he says in Spanish, trying to be cool. But no. So yeah, this is what I'll say. I'll say cuantos minutos. Right. So how long? And you'll see this guy. He'll never show up. And oh man, I'd love it if one of the hackers showed up once. Because they've said, "Oh yeah, meet me down here," and then we'll never show up. Just never show up. So I guess minutos and new toes should be right. Close enough. So let's see what this Mexican says. Selling a heater for $25. It's a smoking deal because these things are $68. But anyway, now back onto the hacks. I mean, this is just shit I'm showing you here. Another one is we can go into this Wi-Fi. We can check out. See how it's. Look at that. Look at how they change. This is the router inside in the house. The one was at full power and the other one was at half. That's dumb as shit. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in here and we're gonna modify this so we can take a look at what settings are on it right now. Oh, come on. No proxy. Okay, yeah, it's not giving me much here. Now here goes notifications. Look at see that one go up and down. It's so hilarious how it's at 60% and I'm inside the house. It should be at 100% connection. Not this half bullshit. Because watch, the saved one, I'll forget it. Now I should have an F come up immediately. There it is, and that is at half. Then if I try to connect to it, won't hit the password. Look at that. Now it's at full on E, but there's half at F, which is just bullshit. This is a 2.4 is what E is, and then there it goes down to half. So let's see if Alt Auto Cycle is back again. I bet you it is. Oh, okay. Here, this is another good one. I want to show you guys this. We can do the Alt Auto Cycle, and that's just really good. Whatever. Look at this. These are files. These are apps that are running that I can't. If I disable them, it doesn't do any good. They have so many overlays. See, and this one is another one. What is this? Com.T-Mobile PR adapter. Look, I have no options to do shit to it. What's that all about, huh? Does that mean someone says rooted my phone remotely, and this is highly illegal? So anyway, we can reset it all. I don't care. Should just be all normal. If you reset it right, everything should just work hunky fucking dory. But it doesn't. So we're gonna go here. We're gonna go show system. Now we're gonna see some good shit here. And by the way, I did just reset everything. You saw that. But yet, Android system disabled. Funny. Let's go in there. We can't even enable it. Weird. Not really. So this is where it's gonna get good, right here. SMD plugins. There's a couple of those. Shared storage. System overlay. Bug to go. Config Wi-Fi overlay. I mean, come on. What is that? Metro Geofence. Like, that's awesome. Device management. Whoa. All good stuff. Right? Fuck no. This is all bullshit. Not all of it, but. So, and then, what's even funnier is like we go into something like device management and we'll go here. It won't even let me clear that. And then when we go deep into it, it ends up saying like Qualcomm. Like if we go to battery, look at that. It's Motorola CCC. It's not device management or whatever. It gives us like I don't know. And this is a lot of stuff that I don't know. Modify draw over system apps. Yes, which is garbage. And then unrestricted data. We go Motorola check-in or any of these. Yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll go Motorola check-in them. And it's going to say Qualcomm. Eventually, it will. Because that's like the source of all evil. I kid you not. I mean, there it is. Right there. Qualcomm. com.qualcomm.at forward. It's memory usage. That system. Oh, look at this system here. This would be interesting. Okay. Motocare, and then you know what that is? It's one of those heaters that the Mexican's gonna buy. This is the system, by the way. So, setting storage is twice. Interesting. Call management. So, anyone that knows Android and knows, what they're talking about, will be able to tell you that this shit is hacked. It is corrupt. I mean, this will be a perfect demo. I was just trying to update this. The new update available. Great. Let's see if it works this time. Okay, let's update. Oh, yeah, great. All right, update. Yeah. Oh, last time it just said install. It didn't even give me an option with the update. It just said installed. So I've given Clash Royale permission on all my uh, all my devices, I swear. Here, and then while that's loading, I'm gonna pull up this Wi-Fi connection on my Chromebook, so you guys can see this. It gives me a little bit more information. Like it'll show you it shows you like the server, the DNS server and shit like that. Oh, this will be great. So especially if we are live, if we really are live. Like here we go. Rotating device. Yeah. Good. Now, hopefully, good. So then, we'll go ahead and then we'll say signal strength at 70, which is awkward. I'm right next to the router. And this is the IP address. Oh, I think I put those in there. There's the gateway. Yeah, I changed all that. And then there's the IPv6 address. And so these are my servers, automatic servers. This is Cox. And no proxy. But the best part is, let's inspect this. Boom, that's the best part right there. Shows me 3 huge errors on my settings page. And what are those errors? They're right over here. They are, we gotta pull this up to see them here. Jeez. Well, they've sort of hidden them, but they're down here. There they are. Yeah, they've hidden them. Okay, this is depreciation, deprecation. HTML is deprecated and will be removed in M73 March 2019. Please use E5 modules instead. Okay, and then registered element is depreciated, will be removed. Okay, that's a polymer extract, whatever that is. And then there's another one will be removed. Okay, well, it's still there. And I just did a Chrome, I did a power wash. I can go through here, and this, I think this just, it does disable them. Here. This really pisses them off, I know. Anyway, and then we'll go here. This is another good one. What are the event listeners? Look at that. Look at that. Anybody seen that many event listeners in their settings page? I doubt it. I think no ever. And I can go through, and I've already done this 1,000 times. Remove it. Does no good. Yeah, that is over and over and over. And just so many. This is what it's done. I'm always trying to report this every day, and what does it do? It takes away from me working. It's just killing me. I mean, everyone knows that this is garbage. You should not have all this bullshit. When I open one of these things up, it'll say something like, and I'll type in the word hack over here. Like find, let's put hack, and generally it'll pop up in like 3 different spots or more. So this is a minor hack, or this is when we do this. Not to come up at all, but here's the Palmer page. And some of you guys are like, I don't want to see this shit, but well, I don't know. We'll see. Like I've literally tried to, I've done this 92 pages of print. So. And then we'll just get out of this. And back to this, right? Removing these things will do no good. Oh, this is even a better one. Watch this. When we go over here to application, go to application, service workers. There it is. Look at that. Service workers from other domains. Look at that. Look at that. Who are these motherfuckers? We didn't invite them, now did we? No. How about this? Let's open him in a new tab and see what he's all about. There it is. That is like the fucking sin of all sins. That's the extra files from this new tab service worker. And where does it come from? SSL G static. components doodle notifier. There's a variance of blacklist saying 204, whatever. And this is what it says, I guess, some of the shit that's embedded in it. Prototype, I like that, so it just sort of sounds like it's just made for me. You know, request clone. So then I've gone here to developer tools, see if I could actually change anything within here. And I've gone, I'll unregister it. I'll unregister it, then I'll clear the storage. And go over here and I'll find out. What are these cookies? These are the, okay, nothing there. And then top. What is it? There it is. That's the devil. And I've gone in here and I've even tried to change this shit around. I can't. Usually don't have luck doing that. You know, and I've tried to find a developer or anyone that will work on this for me. No one will. So I don't know how to change all this stuff. I guess I could end up going to the source and then there's the file and then go in here and then there's boom. I guess I could do that. That never worked. Never worked. So we'll black box script it. We'll even do this never pause here. You know, and then I'll type something like, how about this? I'll put in use. And then maybe something like Windows error. So if they're trying to open it with a Windows computer, they'll have a hard time. And then maybe something like iOS cannot open. So if they're trying to use a MacBook, that might deter them as well. Anyway, then we could just save as, I don't know. It's really not going to do any good, but we'll save it as a new tab service worker. So at least that asterisk did go away, because they usually will have something down here. Oh, what are the remote devices? What we got here? Oh, and you know what's even more fun? Let's do this. We're going to go Chrome URLs. And we are going to show you the DNS. So net internals. Boom. This is a good one. Right here. Look at him change his shit. Look at the little screen will start flashing and shit. They don't want anyone to see this shit. I promise you. So we'll go to DNS. And now let's look at all these things over here. Double click, add tag. It's YouTube. Beacons. Beacon. Cloudflare. What is that? Hello, fuck book. Whoa. Hey. What is that? Well, I need that book. I'm just joking. We're live here, dude. This is Bootstrap. It's an interesting one. So, you know what I'll do? Let's just do this for fun. We're just going to clear it. And we'll see just in a matter of seconds how this thing just blows right back up. We'll go over here to sockets. We'll go view live sockets. right? We'll go here. What was it? I thought it was right. Yeah, there we go. Broken. G-static is broken. Ooh, is that the address? Ooh, what do we have for the address? Let's see that. Oh, shit. Okay, there's the, oh gosh, they're not giving, look at that. They won't let, okay, there's the address. I'm trying to, okay, let's do this a little slower. There we go. So this is the address used. There's a port 443. Okay, and now, even better, this is something I want to show you guys so that this is something that I deal with every day. When they say the Chromebook isn't hacked, it's so funny. Because as you can see, it is. This is a Chromebook. And it's my network, more or less. But Chromebook hacked in Debbie Lincoln's defense. This is something that this poor girl Debbie Lincoln was like, yeah, my Chromebook's hacked. Everyone's all, shut up. Oh, these Chromium developers like, shut up and have a drink. Well, I didn't think that was too cool, so so that was me, my voice, if you recognize it. But here, we got that one more time, Jeff. Anyway, I thought you guys might, at least it gives me a little validity. You know, so you're like, nah, this guy's nuts. Not actually, fucking really not. Not even close. You know, so um, so that was just a little bit of the Android hack, and then I just took you on a little ride there. We could do something like this. It's just so fun when I go through this. There's here in the network errors. We open that in a new. Look at that. It's really nonstop. It's like 5,000. I mean, look at it. It won't even let me open these. It says can't open these errors. It's just too good of information. This is another good one. You go to trace. Dude, every time well, not every time, but when I do this, it'll say like, oh, report this to Google immediately. This is a huge security breach. Never gets to them. I'll never get through to them. But I just hit record, and let's just do, we'll do that one. JavaScript and rendering categories. We'll hit all, and we'll just let this run in the background while I guess I just take you on a journey of just bullshit. Here's another one. This is going to be inspect, because inspect is always good, because you can see, here we go, you can see right here the port forwarding. Boom, it's the localhost 8080. Okay, I don't know, whatever, but then we'll go configure, and then you get the localhost 922 9222 and localhost 9229. Don't know either of those guys either. Don't know if whatever. But I've tried to do that and it's done no good. Then we go to extensions. Look at, there's the extension that probably kills me the most. It's the file extension. The background of the file extension. So we inspect it. We're gonna see those errors again. Look at that. Oh, look at them all. Look at that. Mounted volume without request? What? Mounted volume without request. They shouldn't have done that. I didn't request that. So I mean, if anyone can just feel my pain right now, that mounted volume without request. Shit, that sounds like someone did something without my request. Here's the background JavaScript. You know, I mean, I could go through and I could just. It's so funny because they literally communicate within these things. It says, call the task is finished. Remove the task from pending task list. You know, and then it's like he's like explaining this will do this. The task you get this, and then it'll say like, and then you got to block them immediately or stop the user from this. And I mean, it's really funny. Finishes a path, but anyway, this is I'm sure some of you guys have got to be like, dude, this is good shit because you could get some info from this and learn how to hack other people's lives to death, which is not cool. But see, I saw all kinds of trackers and shit. See, look at this. This is a public string. It's a workaround for the fact that the instance created on foreground page sent back cannot be checked if instant enough. So file app entry. It's like it's almost like he's a teacher, and all the students are listening. And, oh, that's what we do. But you must have this in this place, Or it could be commanding. I don't really know, but I know that they mounted something without my permission. So that's just the beginning of a nightmare. So that's one. That's the common script, and this is the script here. And this is the background. So that's the background. Then it's saying to run these, I guess. I can't do shit with that. Oh, I guess I could go and source that. Oh, but it still won't let me change anything. Look. I don't know how. See, I don't know how to do any of this. And that's my problem. It's I haven't been able to look at that. And then now we're getting all these red errors. Oh yeah, generated this. Whatever. So as you can see, they are getting into this Chromebook slowly right now. We'll run an audit on this, huh? And oh, but can't do that. It says you can't do that. Oh, security. The security of this page is unknown. No idea. It's your Chromebook, but we have no fucking clue on the security of it. Here's my network and everything with that. Elements, they'll be through the roof again. Event listeners, there we go. Error. This is the background. This is the, oh. Request to this server has been blocked by an extension. Oh, Google Docs, look at them. These are my extensions that are going off right now. This Office one, don't ever fucking, I've never installed this and it's always running. Look at that. It says third party requires is that requires, so that's the extension name, and it's a third party required JavaScript. So that is the extension that is a portion of trying to kill me. If anybody wants to fucking make note of that. There's none. Let's check it out, right? Let's check. Oh, I could jack it up right now. Look at that. Let's see if it'll let me I don't think it's gonna let me really. I don't think it'll save it. So if I just do this shit, it's not gonna do any good because it's not the actual. I've done this before. And it just does no good. Maybe if I'll edit it as an HTML, it does no good either. You know, for www.yourmamashouse. Yourmamas.com, and it won't do shit. It'll just go right back. We'll delete the element. We've tried that before. We tried to manipulate all this shit here. It doesn't do any good. We'll go to the application. We'll see. There's there's the extension right there. Featured overrides. So can we do anything with it in here? Nothing. Can we do with it anything right here? No. Oh, right here we go. We'll clear all. See if that's gonna work. Nah, it won't. Never fucking does. We'll even clear this console. Remote devices. Let's see what we got here. Nothing. Okay. Let's get that out of there. I'm sorry if I'm working over here and you guys can't see that shit, but I should pull the camera back. Anyway, oh, look at that. There's a JavaScript with that particular extension. Let's go ahead and dump it. We'll garbage it. Nothing. Won't go away. Here, let's clear it. Clear all profiles. Do anything? No, I got it. And that's the generated background of the Office docs. Right there. What do we do? We want to inspect this. Let's inspect it, see if we see anything here. Oh, look at that depreciated bullshit again. So we can go to the source. Where's the source of this? Right there. Do we like anything? If I go to the script's actual folder, background JavaScript, this is it. So there it is. We can go ahead and we'll black box script it. We can go, this says lodash build underscore whatever. I don't know what that is. Boom. We did that, eliminated it all. Ain't gonna do shit. We'll do this, we'll do the whole in use thing again, see if that'll piss him off at all or if it's even working. In use, and we'll just save it. And we'll save that as background JavaScript. So that's what those, which isn't gonna do a damn thing. I've never been able to stop them. Clear the console. We'll clear the history. And I mean, and then it wants me to, I mean, I could do it right here with this too, the feature overrides. And then, you know, you do it right here. Ooh, that's some ugliness. I know it is because it says root. So the local host is Monkey Easy Loader. Oh, fuck them. Let's fucking look those cocksuckers up. Monkey Easy Loader. Monkey Client. Yeah. Let's definitely look these fucking heads up. Oh man, you know it'd be so wonderful if one of these days I could just fucking drive there. I would drive down to Monkey Easy Loader and I'd probably kill everyone in the building. I really would. Because I mean, sometimes when you just don't have anything to lose, you're pretty dangerous. And that's what I definitely classify myself as. Absolutely fucking dangerous. Like the most dangerous person you can meet. Seriously. Let's get out and I'll just fucking kill you. Would. Really not crazy, but yeah, let's say he is. Okay, let's go. Easy. You know, this started off on a Droid phone. Next thing you know, here we go. God dang it. Oh, we're not going to be able to find it. There it is. Monkey. Oh, does that say E2E? Here, let's just go right here. Freaking see what this is. And we'll Google that. Because that should be our boy right there. The local host, right? Freaking there. So, we'll copy that. We'll open this up. And there we go. There it is, localhost. So Warn, Karma, no capture, brother. GitHub. So that's September 21st, 2016. E2E test monkey E2E loader. Says okay, Karma Webpack. Karma, huh? That's so funny. I think Karma will be coming, their direction. Should run actual behavior when 190 tests Jenkins can run fine. Okay. No capture browser. So I don't know what any of this. So let's just go ahead and we'll see what they had to say in GitHub about this right here. And what we'll do is we'll find the creator, right? Please verify. So who is the owner? Issues project. Who is the So if someone opened this issue, huh? Let's see what these guys say. I'm having the same similar issue. Pierce Karma Webpack doesn't report. Are these participants the ones that are doing this to me? I'm just getting this on folder, on file, so. If anything does ever happen to me. I don't know, I think those guys might be, trying to fix it versus, but, let's go with, that's what I meant. I meant that. It says, what is E2E testing? Okay. Testing your font encode. Hacker Noon. Okay. Okay, well, this is just me going down another fucking rabbit hole. But it's just a little weird, you see this embedded shit into your, right here, monkey client this, and then here's the root framework. Let's check that out. From third party variants. Huh. Just, why don't I like the sound of that, It's not one of those things, it's just not music to my ears. So, we'll copy that. I want to see what it says. We'll do copy all this. Actually, let's cut it. And then we'll go here and we'll open a Google Doc. It's still not going to do a damn thing. I mean, I have made no changes. Here, I'll unregister this fucker. Let's unregister this guy too. Unregister him. This stuff just does no good. It just doesn't. I mean, here, I'll pull it back like that. Wow, we weren't changing this IPv6 address. Looks like someone was. It wasn't me.
here. Try to open a Google Doc. Just so I can just see what this easy loader crap is. Oh shit, 1 second. You know, it's like I'm taking everyone through an average morning for me, just dealing with this embedded bullshit, trying to find the source and being run into a rabbit hole. Take the blue pill. Fucking bullshit. Okay, you're gonna do that for me. You're just gonna, there we go. They didn't like that. Trying to prevent that. I think they did actually. There we go. So that's the third-party Chrome features root monkey client bullshit. Localhost node socket, what the fuck ever. I'm just glad I have it on file now. And what we'll do is we will let's publish it to the web. Why not? Yeah, publish everything else. I'm just publishing their hacks all day. So then someone will finally fucking say, whoa, dude, shut him up already. Because every time I do this and report it, we'll go, help, report the issue, right? Let's report the issue together. I'm going to show you what happens. Up comes my little box. There we go. We'll say here, take that information. And I'll say something to the effect of help. I am under attack. And we'll do a screenshot. Hell, we'll attach a file. We'll put, I'll attach one of these service worker, this polymer extract embedded. We'll do that because that's some embedded information. Send it, and boom, it's going to say thank you, and it'll be from unknown user. Thank you for your feedback. Up will come another box. Will pop up over here on the right. I'll say thank you for your feedback, and it won't have my name or anything in there. So I'm reporting as just a Google user, so they can never come helping me. But oh, wow, I didn't even get the box. I didn't even get the pop-up box today. Awesome. Oh, feedback. Watch when I inspect that too. It's gonna be an issue. Of course there will. Guarantee it. Ooh, Chromebooks froze up on us. Yeah, it has. It's okay. We can wait a second. Because this guy, they just know I'm right. I'm calling all of it. So it's all gonna be exactly like that. Can't. Oh, let me inspect that. Of course. Oh wait, the feedback didn't even go through. Oh, here we go. Oh wow, it's coming up in this box. Look, this doesn't do shit either. Oh wow, this is too amazing. That's so funny. So here, let's do this. You guys gotta check this out. Let's check out the apps that are. Look at that. I have a Chrome app. Google Chrome as an app on my Chromebook. That's awkward. That sounds like someone total bullshit. Look, and then all of a sudden, boom, you need to sign back in. You shouldn't have a Chrome app on a Chromebook, by the way. It just doesn't work like that. So funny. Look at that. Stay in Chrome, use my app. I don't know yet. Here, I'll tell you in a second what I'm going to do with that. So, we'll go My Apps. I think it was a, look at that. I won't be able to get rid of any of these. There's no removal. I can't ever remove any of these. No way to. It's weird. You know, like this one, that one. I mean, I installed it on the Chromebook. I should be able to uninstall it on the Chromebook. But it doesn't think that we're on a Chromebook right now. I know it doesn't. It won't. Here, let's check out my apps. Here, and there's another one. It's still telling me to sign in. See, I installed all these on from the Chromebook, and the only way I guess I would go here, uninstall them. I like this text. I didn't do that. I don't fucking put that. Have a text file in there, so I can start fucking bullshit and do any of this. Okay, that's. Well, I mean, this is just bullshit for me because I see it all the time. But right now we're going to Gmail. The reason why we're going to go to Gmail is so that you can see each and every time it's going to say, I am connected from a remote source. And this is just more proof so you guys can just see this. Yeah, that little thing. And we're going to go here. We'll go here to all mail. Is it more? Oh, there we go. We go all mail. And you go over here to it's usually here. Oh, you usually go all mail. Oh, did it even? Huh. Because then you go down to, I guess it's not manage really. Because then you get the other box and it shows you all where you're hooked up at. Maybe we're not even on a desktop site. Like it's not using the desktop. It's like from a phone where it says use a desktop. You know what we're gonna do is because it's this new one, I know it. So we're gonna do this. Wow, they're not letting me. This one is so funny. We gotta log back out and then go here, and when it's loading up, we're gonna use the basic version. Right here, the basic. Yes. There we go. Now when we load, there we go. See? Right here, your account is being used at another location. Boom. Where's that? This account is being used in one other location. Really? Let's sign out of all of them. Let's do that. Will that help? No. Anyway, that's all for today. I mean, this is just torture, but I wonder if it recorded any of it. All right. Thumbs up if you think I'm getting my ass kicked. See ya.